Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a direct download link with Google Drive. All right, let's begin. First, open Google and access Google Drive from the Google Apps menu at the top right. Once Drive opens, you can start by uploading the file or files you want to share. Click New and choose File Upload to upload a single file, or select New Folder if you want to share multiple files together. Name the folder and open it once it appears in My Drive. Inside the folder, click New again and upload your files. You can also drag and drop files directly from your computer into the folder. Wait until all files finish uploading. Next, right-click on the file or folder you want to share and select Share. Click Share again to open the settings. Change access from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, click Copy Link. Now, anyone with this link can open it and download the files directly using the Download button. So that's basically how you can create a direct download link with Google Drive. That's it for this video. Thanks.